Fit. Slime. Gang with Martaz and we rich, nigga. Slime. Fit. Bob, Martaz and we really rich. Double down with 2 nines and sticks. Add the kickback and I like the party. Mixing the shit, yeah, like gelato. I'm at a dead obvious spot. This red really in my backwood. This red in is a red zone. Smoking this dope is at the red light. Smoking the dead eye at the red light. This red really in my backwood. Keep my eyes low all the time. Spin that pen looking after him. If a nigga play it, he gotta die. Yeah, you know you can't really rhyme. I'm outside and clutching on the 9. And I'm outside and I slime. Show me that you really slime. Show me that you really gang. Outside and I'm really insane. Bust a goofy damn brain. Hit him, knock him off a couple bands. 50 Martaz and we rich. Hop in that car, yeah, with a damn stick. Hop in our car with a damn stick. Martaz and we really rich. Messed up, yeah, I'm going on a mission. Niggas try to play it and get hit. I'm outside, I'm doing the dishes. I'm outside, I'm getting it in. I'm outside, I'm spinning that bin. Fishing outside, yeah, I'm getting it in. Niggas play it on this hit. On this move, yeah, you really get banged. I don't really care, yeah, that's what I mean. You already know I do my jug. Outside and I get it in. Spin that bang, yeah, searching for him and him. Put the Uzi in a Draco. How I do that shit, yeah, I mix it like say so. And you know I'm big say so. Pulling this shit like when I say so. Nigga knock a nigga out for say so. Nigga go down, yeah, for say so. Nigga, I do this shit for a reach. At the spot and I really reap. I decide and I really get it in. Outside and I spin that bin. Killing a nigga, yeah, at the spot. And you know he in my dead eye. This red really damn loafing. At the store, he really loafing. You already know, you know you dope. Nigga try play it, he get smoked. Just like some damn backwoods. At the damn new store. How we really rock the day. I remember 7 on the school bus. Getting in the hallway. Getting in the damn door. I'm at the spot, I'm not no whore. Switching that damn fucking eye. And my back when I'm getting too high. Keep my eyes low all the damn time.